Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT Army, and this is tutorial number 69, and in this video we are going to talk about charts. So let's get started. So charts give you a visual presentation of whatever data you have stored in sheets. Now charts could be in two forms. They could be as an object floating on your sheet, or it could be a dedicated sheet for a chart. So let's see how to create charts. So you can just select any cell within the sheet and then press Alt F1 and it creates a charts for you. So this is the easiest shortcut available. And then you can do the modifications. A lot of things can be done over here. Our second way is, if you select all the data, you can see over here the quick analysis tip is appearing. Control Q is the shortcut for that, and then you can go on to the charts. You can do formatting, charts, totals, tables, spark lines, a lot of different stuff. We want to do charts. I can click on chart, and then you're gonna see we have different types of charts: cluster, horizontal, vertical, lines, tagged, and a lot of other stuff available. The other way to perform the chart is you can go on to the insert tab, and from there we're gonna see we have a category called as charts. You can say I want to create a chart. Excel can give the recommendation to you, or you can go ahead and select that I want to create a column or a bar chart and line chart and pie chart, different types of charts available. So let's say recommended charts, and it gives you the insert chart dialog box where you can see the different types of chart recommendations you are getting over here. You can click on over here, and based on your data it's showing you the presentation, how it's gonna look like. And if you're not happy with them, you can just go ahead with all charts, and it shows you the different types of charts based on categories. You want to see column chart, and within column chart we have clustered column and stacked column and three-dimensional charts you can see over here. Then you can go ahead with line charts. We have different types of line charts available, pie chart, bar. So it depends on your data how visually you want to show the data. You have all different types of charts available. You can explore yourself different types of charts. So I'll go ahead with the default one and click on OK, and then you can see the chart got created. And once the chart is selected, you're gonna see we have two tabs appearing under chart tools, design and format, using which you can do a lot of other modification over here. And also on the chart you're gonna see we have chart tools appearing over here, using which you can add different stuff, like if you want to add the titles to your chart, or axis, if you want to add axis or axis titles or chart titles, you can do modification from here. And so let's see what all different stuff is available within the ribbon. So the very first thing you can see over here, whatever changes you are doing from here, you can also do it from the ribbon. So once I select that, you can go to design, and then you can add different elements. So if you don't want to have the title over here, you can say chart title, you say none, and you can see that the chart title gets removed. Whether you want to have the data labels or not, so at the top you can see different positionings are there. It could be at the center or top, inside, outside, different positions are there. So you can just on your own explore different options available over here. Then we have different quick layouts. Some pre-formatted layouts are available with data. You can say you can have the data also along with that, the data table along with the chart, and a lot of different stuff are available. Then if you're interested in some other different color themes, you can select from here what different colors you want to have. So they are colorful and monochromatic also available over here. Then we have some different chart styles available. They have different colors, foreground, background, and different layoutings available. You can choose which color you want to have. Can apply different styles. And then we have over here related to data. If you want to modify the data series, you can switch between. So for instance, over here we had desktops, laptops, that is the products over here, and then we have the quarter over here. So in this case, if you want to modify, rather than showing the bars for different products, you want to see the bars for different quarters, I can say I want to switch between row and column. So I can click on this, and now you can see that the legend is coming over here for different products, and you are seeing the sales of different products in different quarters. So it's totally up to you again how do you want to see the chart. Then we have option over here to select the data if you want to do any modification. If you want to add or remove any product or different quarters, you can do from that. Then if you want to change the chart, so if you change your mind, you don't want to have this chart, you want to have, let's say, two-dimensional chart, you can select any of those charts and click on OK. And then we have this option over here. If you want to move your chart, if you want to move to some other sheet, you can select which sheet you want to move. Or if you want to create a new chart sheet for this, you can click on that, what should be the name, and click on OK. A new chart sheet will get created. So this is how we can create different types of charts. So I'll delete this, and now I'm going to show you how to create a chart sheet. So F11 is the shortcut. When I press F11, it's created a new chart sheet for me, and that chart sheet is having the entire chart. So it's totally your choice. You want to have a chart as an object floating on the sheet, or you want to have a dedicated chart. So Alt F1 was the shortcut to create the default chart. Now you can see that whatever chart you are having, that consists of different objects. So as I move the mouse over different object, you can see it shows the name. We have chart title. This is called as the vertical axis, horizontal axis, legends. We have the series, different types of series are there. And then all these things can be modified from the formatting. So if you want to do the formatting, you can just select the object from here, what object you want to modify, or simply click on that object what you want to modify, and then you can see showing you what object you have selected, and then you can do the modification. So for instance, if I want to change the chart title, I can click over here, contour sales, and then I can select the different legends. If you want to change the bar colors, you can change what should be the fill color for individual bars, you can change, and a lot of other customizations you can do over here, changing the border color or fill color or outlining, and a lot of different shadow effects are there that you can apply, changing the height and width and alignment. And also if you want to do some more customizations, you can simply double click on that object, and then you're gonna see we have format axis, and we have different filling, lining, shape, shadow, sizing, text options are available, and you can do the customizations from there. So and now let's see how to see some other different types of charts. We have product sales. If I want to create a pie chart, I can simply go on to the insert, and I say I want to create a pie chart, and then the pie chart gets created. So this is the chart. You can adjust the size from here, and this is the pie chart. And now let's create one more chart. So here I have the data, alter F1 or go on to the insert, and you say I want to create a chart, a column chart, and chart gets created. Now in this particular chart, you're gonna see over here the series that are getting plotted over here. There is a big difference between the scale of these series. They are all between 0 to 1, and then we have in thousands. So in this case, you're gonna see that the second bar is appearing, that's pretty small. So in this case, what we can do is that whatever second data you are having, that you can plot on the secondary axis. So to do that thing, we have different options available. The easiest option is I can go on to the design, and then you say I want to change the chart type, and from there you're gonna see we have combo, and then I can say whatever total sales you are having percentage, I want to display on the secondary axis. So you can select the checkboxes for whatever data you want to display on secondary axis. I can click on this, and now you can see the preview that's showing the sales over here and percentage sales over here on the right hand side. So when I click on OK, and now you are seeing this all information. So that's all about charts. Hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.